Are you thinking of buying diet pills to lose weight? If so, you need to be careful and know what to look for. Diet pills can be helpful, but they can also be risky if you don't know what to look for. So, in this video, I'm going to share 5 precautions when choosing diet pills that you should always keep in mind. 1. The ingredients. Make sure you avoid any pills that contain harmful or illegal substances, such as ephedra, sibutramine, or fenfluramine. These can cause serious health problems, such as high blood pressure, heart issues, or even death. Also, look for natural or plant-based ingredients, such as green tea, Garcinia cambogia, or glucomannan. These can help increase your metabolism and curb your appetite without harming your health. 2. The dosage. Don't take more than the recommended dose of any diet pills. Taking too much can cause overdose symptoms, such as nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, or insomnia. Also, don't mix different types of diet pills or other supplements, as this can lead to interactions and side effects. Always follow the directions on the package and talk to your doctor before taking any diet pills. 3. The reviews. Don't believe everything you read on the internet. Some diet pills may have fake or paid reviews that make them seem more effective or safe than they really are. Do your homework and look for unbiased and honest reviews from real users who have tried the product. You can also check out online forums or blogs where people share their experiences and opinions on different diet pills. The price. Don't go for cheap or free offers that sound too good to be true. Some diet pills may have hidden costs or charges that will make you pay more than you bargained for. Also, some diet pills may be fake or expired, which means they won't work or may even harm you. Always buy from reliable and authorized sellers who offer a refund policy or a free trial period. 5. The results. Don't expect magic from any diet pills. Diet pills are not a quick fix that will make you lose weight overnight. They are only meant to support your weight loss goals by improving your diet and exercise plan. You still need to eat well and work out regularly to see any results from taking diet pills. And remember, everyone's body is different, so what works for someone else may not work for you. So, these are 5 precautions when choosing diet pills that you should always keep in mind. I hope this video was useful and informative for you. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more weight loss tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time.